Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into something extraordinary. We're going to create art inspired by legendary artists using MidJourney, crafting pieces that pay homage to the techniques, themes, and styles that made their work unforgettable. By the end, you'll know how to draw on artistic influences to build your own masterpieces in MidJourney. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you on your journey to mastering these styles. Let's jump right in. To start, let's explore the fundamentals of each artist's unique style. By understanding specific elements like color choices, brush techniques, and themes, we can guide mid-journey right here to capture the essence of an artist. We'll begin with Vincent van Gogh, known for his expressive brushstrokes with vibrant colors. So think about, let's say, the swirling intense skies of Starry Night. By specifying these iconic elements, we can have Midjourney craft an image that feel truly Van Gogh-esque. So here's the prompt that I'm going to be putting up right here. There we go. See, just as I stated right here. Then let's send this off right about now. All right, and so this starts with the image rendering process with the prompt that I just sent. So we'll see if MidJourney was able to capture the essence of the Starry Night sky. All right, looks like we're almost done. Just as you see, as it processed, just notice how the vivid colors and the textural detail come through. Now, when you use key terms like expressive night sky and bold brushstrokes, see, MidJourney just knows how to emphasize these details. This giving a painfully finish true to Van Gogh's style. See? Look at how those familiar swirling motions right here, and another one right here, and the deep blues that came alive. See? It's all about capturing that emotional, immersive quality just as Van Gogh did. Did, though. Sorry about that. And see? See how impressive that Midjourney just captured the artistic style from Van Gogh? Look at that. Impressive, I must say. So, in this next part, we'll combine the influences of multiple artists to create a completely unique piece. So, for instance, by blending the dreamy quality of Claude Monet's landscapes, then we could combine with the abstract energy of Pablo Picasso, we can create a hybrid style that's both surreal and modern. All right, so here's the prompt that I come up with right here. There we go. See right here. So a surreal garden scene, like blending Claude Monet, then Picasso's bold, fragmented, abstract forms right over here. Then a few more details here and there. Now let's send this over right about now. Okay, so as this generates with the image rendering from MidJourney. So just notice how we're combining terms like soft pastel colors and bold abstract forms. So with this, it tells MidJourney to look for specific qualities from both artists. So this would balance nature with an abstract twist. And so let's see how this would dedicate that. Alrighty. See how the delicate garden setting is sorry about that, interrupted by abstract shapes like this one. See, best example with the image rendering. See, it's like having Monet and Picasso collaborate on the same canvas. Peaceful, yet unexpectedly striking. Here we go. Here's some other ones, and another one, and another one right here. See? This one, I kind of like this the most. has the combination of Picasso and Monet. See? So if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Next, let's explore themes that famous artists often focus on and learn how to apply them to create thematic pieces. So, for instance, we have Frida Kahlo's art, for example, often explored identity and self portraiture with vibrant colors and symbolic objects. Now, just think about Kahlo's powerful self portraits and the way she uses symbols to tell a story. So let's see how MidJourney can bring those personal themes and rich colors to life. Now, here's the prompt for that self portrait painting that MidJourney would render through images that will be inspired by Frida Kahlo. And then there are further details here and there in the prompt. See right there. And then let's hit it off now. All right, once again, it's starting, and now it's starting to render with each of these. So now we've given MidJourney clear themes like self-discovery and inner strength. So along with keywords like vibrant colors and symbolic objects, which could set the scene for a deeply emotional piece. All right. Now look at how the colors are intense and the symbols that feel deeply personal. See? It's like stepping into a Kahlo painting. See how it's deeply inspired by her painting style? Look at that. See how MidJourney captures that intimate, reflective mood beautifully? Finally, one of the most powerful features of MidJourney is the ability to iterate. Sometimes an initial prompt gets us close, but refining and enhancing allows us to fully achieve the depth and texture that we're going after for. So let's take inspiration from Jackson Pollock's techniques for adding bold, layered textures. So imagine our previous artwork, let's say, with more depth, more texture. Now, Pollock's style is perfect for this. So let's see how MidJourney can build up those layers to make it feel more dynamic. All right, so here's the prompt that I come up with. Here we go. It says, refine this artwork with added texture and layered depth inspired by Jackson Pollock's energetic, chaotic splashes of color. Now, here we go. It added details. And let's say we pull up like a random artwork right here. So just click choose a file, or you could drop it here. I'll just choose a file. Get one. Hold on a moment. Here we go. This one. Say this painting right here. There we go. Now, once it's all set up, let's enter right now. Okay. See here. Once again, it's starting. Just wait for a moment for the image rendering to process through until it's done. Okay, it might take a couple of seconds here and there. So by asking MidJourney to refine with added texture and depth, so we're pushing the style further into that raw layered quality Pollock was known for. Okay, so here is what it came out. Look at that. See how the added texture amplifies the emotion in the piece? See right there? So with this method, you can create something that feels finished, full of movement, and true to, let's say, Pollock's explosive style. See? See? Nice right here. Let's take an inspiration. Pretty nice. And so, with just a few carefully crafted prompts, we've created artworks that channel the spirit of these iconic artists. Whether you're looking to understand artistic styles or experiment with blending influences, Mir- sorry about that. Well, MidJourney gives you the tools to explore and honor these famous styles.